Hey guys, it's Tony. Ever wonder if there are any really good family-friendly but still affordable hotel resorts in Orlando that are not associated with Disney World? Well, today I want to share our recent family vacation experience at the Hilton Resort and Conference Center in Orlando, Florida. My family and I had a blast staying here while visiting Disney World and SeaWorld for about half of what you would have paid to stay at a Disney resort on property. So let me take you through our stay at the Hilton. As we drove up to the resort, we were immediately struck by its grand welcoming entrance. The valet service was efficient and friendly, helping us unload our bags and taking care of our car. Walking into the lobby, we were greeted by a spacious and elegant area with a modern flair. The front desk staff were warm and attentive, checking us in quickly despite the busy atmosphere. The bell service was top-notch. They escorted us to our room, making sure we had everything we needed, and giving us a quick overview of the hotel's amenities. They were also very helpful with storing the groceries that we ordered. This may seem like a strange thing to do in a full-service hotel, but we've learned that you can save a lot of money by having drinks and snacks delivered to your hotel room by Kroger or DoorDash rather than buying everything at the hotel. Our room was clean and comfortable, though we did notice that the decor felt a bit dated. But it was still spacious enough for the four of us, and the beds were incredibly comfortable, perfect for a good night's rest after a long day at the park. And yes, the room did have a dorm-sized fridge, although it didn't have a microwave like you might see in a 2 or a 3-star travel hotel. Now let's talk about the dining options at the Orlando Hilton. The resort offers a variety of very good on-site restaurants. They cater to all tastes. Trabucco, the elegant Italian restaurant, provides a sophisticated dining experience with delicious pasta dishes and an extensive wine selection. It's perfect for a romantic dinner or a special family meal. Fast Break, the sports bar, is an ideal spot for those who enjoy a lively atmosphere watching their favorite games on the big screen while indulging in classic bar foods. It's a great place to unwind and enjoy some casual dining. For those looking to explore upscale Mexican cuisine, Tuduvos offers vibrant flavors and beautiful presentation. It's a must-visit for food enthusiasts to enjoy trying new and exciting dishes. Tropics Pool Bar and Grill is perfect for a relaxed lunch by the pool with a variety of sandwiches, wraps, burgers, and tropical drinks to keep you refreshed throughout the day. It's a wonderful spot to take a break from swimming and just chill taking in the island vibe. Bartella is a nice spot for evening drinks, offering a great selection of craft cocktails in a relaxing atmosphere. And if you need something quick, the Scratch Market and Cafe, which is open 24 hours, has a range of grab-and-go options from pizza to sandwiches and lattes, ensuring that you never go hungry no matter what time it is. Speaking of the pool area, it was undoubtedly one of the highlights of our stay. The resort boasts 2 large pools, a lazy river, a water slide, and a spacious hot tub. Our boys couldn't get enough of the water slide and the enormous family pool, while Avi and I, my wife, we enjoyed lounging poolside, just soaking up the sun. The pool area was clean, well-maintained, and had plenty of seating options for everyone, including cabanas. For those who like to stay active, the fitness center was well-equipped with a variety of machines and free weights. And the spa offers full-service amenities including massages, facials, manicures, and pedicures. To top it off, the hotel has an expansive conference center complete with a full-service FedEx office to help with your shipping and printing needs. Overall, our stay at the Orlando Hilton Resort and Conference Center was fantastic. The staff were always friendly and helpful, the amenities were top-notch, and the location was perfect for visiting Disney World and SeaWorld. While the rooms might be a little bit dated, they were comfortable and met all of our needs. So if you're looking for a great alternative to the pricey resorts on property at Disney, I definitely recommend the Hilton Orlando. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this hotel review to be helpful.